Hey everyone! Welcome to Doubttown. Today, I'm excited to showcase an Instagram login page that I created using just HTML and CSS. Let's take a quick look. It features a sleek and minimal design, inspired by Instagram's official login page. Here's the landing page I created, fully inspired by Instagram's clean and modern design. On the left, we have a dynamic section showcasing a carousel of mobile screens, which adds a professional touch and replicates Instagram's user-focused branding. The right side features a functional login form with input fields for the username and password, a login button. If you want to check out the source code or try building it yourself, the project is available on my GitHub. Link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Doubttown for more awesome projects. See you in the next one.